Sir M. Visvesvaraya, the visionary engineer who shaped modern India. In the annals of India's history, one name that stands out as a beacon of innovation, engineering prowess, and visionary leadership is that of Sir Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya, often simply referred to as Sir Mokshagundam. Born on September 15, 1861, in the village of Muddenahalli in present-day Karnataka, he would go on to become one of the most celebrated engineers and statesmen in India's history. Early life and education. Visvesvaraya's journey began in modest surroundings, but his thirst for knowledge and his innate aptitude for mathematics and science quickly set him apart. He completed his primary education in Chikkaballapur and then moved to Bangalore for his high school education. His brilliance earned him a scholarship to study Bachelor of Arts, BA, from Central College, Bangalore. However, Visvesvaraya's true passion lay in engineering. His determination and dedication led him to secure a scholarship to pursue a degree in civil engineering at the prestigious College of Engineering. In Pune, now known as the Government College of Engineering, Pune. Here, he honed his engineering skills and developed a deep understanding of the principles that would later transform India's infrastructure. Engineering marvels. After completing his education, Visvesvaraya embarked on a remarkable career that saw him contributing significantly to India's development. His innovative thinking and meticulous approach to engineering challenges were evident in many of his projects. One of his most iconic contributions was the design and construction of the Krishnaraja Sagar Dam in Mysore, now Karnataka. Completed in 1932, this dam became a symbol of engineering excellence and contributed significantly to the region's irrigation and power generation capabilities. His work didn't stop there. He was involved in several other irrigation projects, including the construction of the Bhadravati Iron and Steel Works. Visvesvaraya's expertise extended beyond engineering. He played a crucial role in setting up the Tata Iron and Steel Company, TISCO, in Jamshedpur, which laid the foundation for India's industrial growth. His insights into industrialization and modernization were instrumental in shaping India's economic landscape. Statesmanship and legacy. Visvesvaraya's contributions extended beyond the realm of engineering. He held various administrative positions and served as the Diwan, Prime Minister of Mysore from 1912 to 1919. During his tenure, he implemented several progressive reforms in the state, focusing on education, industrialization, and infrastructure development. His dedication and leadership earned him numerous accolades, including the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award, in 1955. His birthday, September 15th, is celebrated as Engineers' Day in India to honor his legacy and inspire future generations of engineers. Conclusion. Sir M. Visvesvaraya's life and work stand as a testament to what one individual can achieve with dedication, intellect, and a vision for a better future. His contributions to engineering, industry, and governance have left an indelible mark on India, and his legacy continues to inspire generations of engineers and leaders. As we commemorate his birthday and celebrate Engineers' Day, we remember the man who not only built bridges and dams, but also built the foundation for a modern and prosperous India. Sir M. Visvesvaraya, also known as Sir M.V., was a visionary engineer and statesman whose achievements spanned various fields. Here are some of his notable accomplishments. Engineering marvels. Krishnaraja Sagar Dam. One of his most iconic contributions, the Krishnaraja Sagar Dam in Mysore, now Karnataka, was completed in 1932. It became a symbol of engineering excellence, serving irrigation and power generation purposes. Mysore Sandalwood Oil Factory. Visvesvaraya played a key role in establishing this factory, which produced high-quality sandalwood oil and contributed significantly to the region's economy. Bhadravati Iron and Steel Works. He was involved in the construction of this industrial facility, which played a crucial role in India's industrial growth. 2. Industrialization and economic planning. Tata Iron and Steel Company, TISCO. Visvesvaraya's insights into industrialization were instrumental in setting up TISCO in Jamshedpur. This marked a significant milestone in India's industrial history. Industrialization in Mysore. As the Diwan Prime Minister of Mysore, he implemented policies and projects that promoted industrialization, including the establishment of industries and factories. 3. Administrative leadership. Diwan of Mysore. Visvesvaraya served as the Diwan of Mysore from 1912 to 1919. During his tenure, he introduced several progressive reforms, focusing on education, public health, and infrastructure development. Civil services. He held key positions in the Indian civil services, contributing to policy formulation and administration. 4. Educational initiatives. Visvesvaraya Technological University, his honor. V2 was named after him. It is one of the largest technological universities in India and offers a wide range of technical and engineering courses. Engineering education. Visvesvaraya was a strong advocate for technical and engineering education in India. He believed in nurturing a skilled workforce to drive the country's development. 5. Awards and recognition. Bharat Ratna. In 1955, Visvesvaraya was awarded the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honor, for his outstanding contributions to the nation. Engineers Day, his birthday, September 15th, is celebrated as Engineers Day in India to honor his legacy and inspire future generations of engineers. Legacy. Sir M. Visvesvaraya's legacy continues to inspire engineers, administrators, and leaders in India and around the world. His approach to problem-solving, meticulous planning, and dedication to the betterment of society serve as a timeless example of excellence. Sir M. Visvesvaraya's achievements not only transformed India's infrastructure and industries, but also laid the foundation for the country's modernization and development. His legacy remains a source of inspiration for individuals in various fields, and his contributions continue to be celebrated and admired to this day.